Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see class 10 Sanskrit chapter number 15 Jayah Parajayoha. Dear students, already we have seen first, second and third part of the same chapter which is already linked into the description. Now today we are going to see the remaining lesson in detail. We are going to start with the last paragraph of the same chapter. Arjunah वृतान्तमेतं श्रुत्वा पुरातनीयस्य महाभारतस्य युद्धस्य परिणामं स्मृतिपथ मानयति. Arjunah means the name of person. Vrutantmetam. Vrutantmetam, this story. Shrutva means having heard. Purataniyasya, of ancient. Mahabharat means the name of war. Mahabharat. Yuddha. Yuddha means war. Parinamam. Parinamam means result. Smrutipatha manyati. He reminds. Now, when Arjuna, having heard this story, this account, Arjuna remembered the effect of the war of Mahabharata. He remembered the effect of the war called Mahabharata. Saha vichareti yat तदा बहुनां सज्जनानां संहार सज्जातः तेन च परिवारेषु आपदानां परंपरा प्रवर्तिता. स विचार्यति, he thinks, yat, that, tada, then, bahuna jananam. Bahuna means many and janana means people. Sanhara means destruction. Sajjat means happy. Ten cha, and also parivareshu, on their family. Apadanam parampara pravartita. Apada means calamity or difficulty, and parampara. So the series of calamity rolled on their family. Now Arjuna, when that person says that this is the effect of the war. Just now the world war stopped, and due to that chemical weapons were used in the war. And when they have used the chemical weapons, the earth, water and land, all these things are polluted, and due to the result of this war, we are facing many difficulties. Like I became like this, my wife died due to the suffocation of air, and my son also died. So when Arjuna heard about the result of this war, he remembers about the war of Mahabharata. Now having heard this event which is told by that man, Arjuna remembered the ancient war called Mahabharata, and he thought that at that time many persons were killed, and on account of that series of calamities before their family. So Arjuna here, when he is comparing the war of Mahabharata and the war of the modern age, he thinks that at the war of Mahabharata many people were died, and due to that death on their families, many family members, many families have faced series of calamities, problems. But the land, water, air, sky was as pure as it was earlier. Now in modern age, what happened? Due to the use of that chemical weapons, air, water, land, these all natural things are damaged, and they are not as pure as it was earlier. Next, परंतु जल, वायु, भूम्या, काशादयो महाभूतास्तथैव शुद्धाः आसन्. परंतु, but, jal means water, vayu means air, bhumi means land, and akash means sky. Mahabhuta means this elements. Tatheva means as it is. Shuddhaha means pure, asan. So here next Arjuna says that, but the great the great elements such as earth, water, air, light and space, these elements were as pure as before they were used, right? Now let me see the word meaning. वृतांत श्रुत्वा स्मृति पथमानयति। He remembered. विचारयति means thinks. विचारयति he thinks. बहुनां जनानां means many people. संहार सज्जात, संहार means destruction. आपदानां परंपरा means series of calamities. Rolled on. Then जल वायु भूम्यादकाशयो महाभूताः elements. महाभूताः means elements. शुद्धाः means pure. So here we have seen that Arjuna is he having heard the story which is told by that man. He remembered the war of Mahabharata, and then he thinks that due to the result of war of Mahabharata many people were died. Due to the result of war of Mahabharata many people were died, and their family has faced many difficulties. The series of difficulties, calamities rolled on their family. But the great elements such as earth, water, air, light and space were as pure as before. ते जीवानां कृते यथापूर्वम् उपयोगिनः एव सन्ति. ते जीवानां means for living beings, कृते for, यथापूर्वम् as in the past, उपयोगिनः means useful अस्ति. So it was as useful as it was before. सम्प्रति यदहं पश्यामि, सम्प्रति means now at present, यद अहम that I पश्यामि see, तत् अधिकं शोचनीयम् अस्ति. तत् means that, अधिकं means more, शोचनीयं means lamentable अस्ति. किम अयम अधुना प्रवर्तित मानवस्य जयः अस्ति पराजयः वा. अधुना प्रवर्तित means existing, मानवस्य of human being, जयः अस्ति पराजयो वा. Now here Arjuna thinks is that the elements were as pure as before in the war of Mahabharata. After the war of Mahabharata, now he thinks that they have used as before, right? They were useful as they were before. So they were as pure as they before. They were useful for living beings as in the past. Now, what I see is more lamentable. Now, what I see is more lamentable. What is this? What is this that has taken place? What is this that has taken place? Is it man's victory or is it man's defeat? Now, Arjuna thinks that really, if you are winning this war, then really is this your victory or is this your defeat? Because on one side you are winning over that part, right, that land or that area, but what about the land, water, air and sky? You are polluting that things, right? And if you are polluting that things, it is not proper for living, right? It is not suitable to live, to stay over there. So whether this is your victory or your defeat, this is the question arises in the mind of Arjuna, that whether this is victory or we can say it's a defeat. On one side they are winning the war and they are celebrating, on another hand the elements, the natural elements are damaged and due to that they are not able to stay there. It is not suitable for them to stay there. So whether this is victory or a defeat. So what is this that has taken place? Is it man's victory or is it this victory a defeat? These questions arise in the mind of Arjuna. Evam Shashokah, with dejection, Arjuna apita jalaha. Apita means without drinking water. Gruhita chintischa, worried. Punah, again, Swargam Pratyavartat. Swargam Pratyavartat, return to heaven. Now Arjuna is thinking on this and thus he distressed. Now he becomes sad and Arjuna returned to the heaven without drinking water, having become worried. Now Arjuna is sad, he distressed and he became worried, and without drinking water, now he moved further to go in the heaven. Now last word meaning. So यथा पूर्वम as in the past, उपयोगिनः Samprati, now at present, is now or at present. शोचनीय मस्ती. Lamentable. प्रवर्तितः. Existing. Jayana, victory. गृहीत चिंतश्च गृहीत चिंतश्च स्वर्गं प्रत्यावर्तत So, here we have seen chapter number 15, Jaya Parajayoga. You may note down the words in your notes.